In today's video, I'm going to be covering 6 remote gigs for college students. You can do these straight from your dorm. You don't need any experience with these, and they pay up to $15 per hour or even more. Now, before we get into the video, if you're looking for the simplest and most profitable way to actually earn from your dorm or anywhere you are, I have a guide. It's a strict money guide in my description below here that you can actually read. It's simplified for you, showing you steps that I took to actually earn from home. Link is in the description. Now, the first remote gig that you want to pay attention to on this list is going to be virtual assistant. Now, what this is, virtual assistant is you helping clients with emails. You schedule their emails, you do research for them, simple tasks. You can go to websites like Upwork.com or Fiverr.com and you get paid $10 to $20 per hour doing these gigs, all right? Again, no experience is needed. You just need to be organized for this type of remote gig, okay? The second one on this list is going to be online tutoring. Now, what this is, you basically become a tutor in subjects like mathematics and also in subjects like English. Now, where do you go to get signed up for these types of gigs? Now, you want to go to websites tutor.com or Chegg Tutors.com. These will pay out $15 to $30 per hour, and you can use your class knowledge, and the hours are very flexible for you as a college student. So this is a wonderful remote gig for you. The next one is going to be content writing. So if you have a passion for writing content, you can write blogs or social media posts for clients, and they will gladly pay you because they're so busy, okay? Now, where do you go to actually do this type of remote gig? You go to websites like Textbroker.com or iWriter.com. Pay is up to $15 per hour, so between $10 to $15 per hour. You start very simple. There's no skills required for this type of gig. Now, the next one we're looking into is going to be graphic design, all right? What you're going to do here, you're basically going to make logos or graphics with Canva. Canva is a very popular graphic designing website, which I also use myself to make my banners and also thumbnails and things like that. All right. You get paid up to $20 per hour for these type of graphic designing, and you can go again to Fiverr.com to create your gigs, and clients can reach out to you to buy your services. All right. So again, free tools needed, and you have that creative freedom to express yourself. Okay. Now, fifth on this list is going to be social media management, right? Now, what you do with social media management is very simple. You post or you manage accounts for businesses, okay? A very popular website that I recommend you go and do this would be Upwork.com, and you get paid up to $15 per hour. You basically use up your social media skills that you already use anyways, and you will actually get paid for that, all right? Now, the last one on this list is transcription. It's a very nice, easy type of remote gig for you. Basically, you type audio into text, and nowadays you can use tools out there, AI softwares, and you can go on websites like Rev or TranscribeMe to see these gigs which are going to be available, okay? Get paid $15 to $20 per hour on these, and you just need your headphones to listen to the audio. You don't need any training, basically. You basically use your brain and you get these done, all right? So those are the 6 remote gigs for college students that I have covered for you. Hopefully you found it valuable. Now again, I just want to remind you, if you're looking for the simplest #1 way that people are using to generate income online, it's going to be a link in the description for you. It's going to be a guide that I created that helps all my viewers to actually get that paying skill so that they can earn from home. All right, so do check it out in the description there. And thank you so much for watching. Now I'll see you in the next video.